Hello guys, it's your girl Empress Nyameba and welcome back to my channel once again. Welcome to the part 2 of how to make a wig cap with a sewing machine. So on the part 1 where we got to after ruling the line, that's where we ended. So today the part 2, I'm using the line to sew, meaning I'm sewing the pieces on the line I ruled. Yes. So you sew each piece line with a piece. You take one hair and then you sew it on the line throughout the whole cap. So you will see me doing that. I will do it and show it to you. You will see how tight it is and then how customized it will look. That's what I'm doing. I'm sewing each piece on a line. I'm using the line to sew. And when you use it as a new person learning how to make a wig with a sewing machine, that is the easiest and simplest way you can do. When you use it to sew, you will see where if you will see what you are doing well and where you want to sew. Because if you don't use the line to sew and you sew it with your free will and free hands, by the time you finish, you will see that the hair is crooked. That's why I advise you, as a beginner and a learner, new person trying to learning how to do it, you need to rule a line to sew with it. Yes, you rule a line to guide you to sew your hair. You see how customized, how tight is it? That's the inside. You see where there is a line, there is a hair, I've sewn it. But please don't forget to use the zigzag stitches. Yes, the zigzag, not the normal one we use when sewing clothes. No, use the zigzag. And also, it's not because I'm using electric machine. So even if you don't have money for electric machine, you have to buy. It's good to use electric machine. So if you can save for that, it's good. But if you can't save for that, you can use a hand machine or the normal one we use the big one that we use our hand to sew. You you can get that one too. It will work. Yes. I will try and get a hand machine to make one and do a video to show you how you can use your hand machine to do it. You can do it at home. This is not for only professional hairdressers. You can also do it at home yourself. So I'm still sewing the pieces to the cup and following the line. Please try and do that. You follow the line you've ruled, then you sew it on it. Very simple and easy to sew. And I tell you, if you use the sewing machine, if you do this, you will be happy you learned this. It saves time when using sewing machine. It saves more time, and also you will have time for yourself to do something other things. When you are using your hand, you waste time because you have to do your thread yourself and then sew. But when you are using the sewing machine, you fix everything there. Just of you are gone sewing it. You see it very tight and neat work, very tight and neat. That's the inside. You see how neat the hair is. So now I've completed, I think, the whole part where I ruled. I've sewed every part, every line with it. So after doing that, I go back, I take my mannequin head and put the cap back, and it's now time to sew your closure. I hope all of you know how to sew closure. Please, if you don't know how to sew closure and you want me to do a video on how to sew closure, leave a comment or send me a mail to my email address. That's empressnyamiba1 at gmail.com. Let me know or leave a comment and I will do that for you. So I go back to my mannequin head and fix the cap back and secure it with my bobby pins. Then I sew my closure. That's what you see me doing. I'm sewing the closure. Yes, I like sewing the closure with my hands. I don't use the machine to sew the closure. Somebody will ask why. Yes, why? Because when you sew the closure with the machine, most of the hair will enter into the machine, and not even only the machine, but the zigzag will even spoil it will make the place big, and you cannot even comb the closure down. That's why I always want to use my hand to sew the closure. After finish sewing the closure, you see that space there, I go back to my machine and then close it, seal it, the space between the closure and my hair. I seal it with the hair. Sometimes when you get to that point, it's a little difficult, especially when you are using a curly hair. But when you are using a straight hair, it's a bit okay. So when you are using a curly hair, please be careful. Afro hair or any curly hair, waves, anything curly. Be careful because the hair can enter the sewing machine and you will be distracted. You see, I'm now done sealing the my hairs, the two between the closure and the hair. I'm done. You see how it is, just simple and easy. See how beautiful it is. After done with that, I'll just cut the excess net from the closure, and that is it. How customized and how beautiful it is. You see, you can also do it. I know you can also do it. I hope you've learned something from this and you will try it yourself. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yes, if you really learned something, so don't forget to subscribe. Share it to a friend. Tell your friends to also subscribe and share it. And give a thumbs up. Yes, give a thumbs up and also share to anybody, any hairdresser you know. I love you guys, and I know you also love me. That's why you always come back. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I have a lot to share with you guys. Thank you, and I love you. Bye.